Today's topic is limitations of planning. First limitation is planning leads to rigidity. The word rigidity means inflexibility, restrictions of freedom, or strict compliances of predetermined policies. As I have already told that the predetermined policies are made by top level of management. So the employees are strictly need to follow these policies, programs, rules, methods, whatever the top level has given. So the new opportunities are generally ignored or rejected because the employees are supposed to follow whatever the plans has been made, which leads to rigidity for the employees. So manager must be given some flexibility to cope up with the dynamic environment so that they can adapt to the new changing situations. Now second point of limitations of planning is planning may not work in a dynamic environment. Now, as I have already told you that business environment is dynamic because everything changes in a very fast pace, like the economic policies are changing, government policies are changing, technological changes are taking place. So that's why it is said that planning may not work in a dynamic environment. So plans operates in an external environment which is beyond the control of the firm. Now plans are inoperative and ineffective in a dynamic environment. It is very difficult for the managers to predict accurately the economic conditions, government policies, natural calamities, human behaviors, etc. Therefore, planning does not work when changes are not forecasted accurately. Now, my third limitations of planning is planning reduces creativity. Now, planning determines policies, procedures, programs in advance, which I have already said, and I have already told you that all these things are already planned by the top level managers. Now, employees are strictly following all those policies, programs, and procedures, etc. Any deviations are considered to be highly undesirable, which in turn limits the skills, initiative, and creativity of the employees. It even ignores the changes in the environment. Due to this, the organization has to forego many opportunities because they have to strictly follow whatever the plan is given by the top level of management. Now, my fourth point of limitations is planning involves huge costs. Now, money is spent on gathering and analyzing information, in editing the information, then evaluation of various alternatives, then money is spent on experts like scientists and economists, etc. So the firm should justify the benefits derived from it because the money is spent is huge. So it should be justified. Whatever money has been spent, we should able to draw more benefit out of it. Else it should be avoided where the funds are limited because huge cost will be involved in it. Now, my fifth point is planning is a time consuming process. So time is needed for collection, analysis, interpretation of the data, and sometimes immediate actions are required for prompt decision making because many opportunities are available in the market. Now profitable opportunities can be lost because of this planning because it's a time consuming process. Now, sixth point of limitation is planning does not guarantee success. Now, planning generates a false sense of security that if we have planned, everything will be go on smoothly. But generally, it does not happen like this. Managers rely on previously tried and tested plans. Plans which have worked before, it not necessary that it will work again because business environment is competitive and dynamic and it goes on changing. So adherence to plans does not ensure success. Now my seventh and the last point of limitations is reluctance to change. This means that the employees resist to the changes or they are unwilling to work in a new way, as they are accustomed to set methods of doing work, which leads to failure of new plans. Now let me give you an example that when before computerization came, in banks people used to work manually, but when computer came it was asked them to learn computers and do work online. But the employees started resisting to the changes because they were accustomed in the set method. That's why generally if new plans comes, people resist to the changes.